Greetings and welcome to Seed and Faith. All things around us seems to be good when we don't have a purpose in life. When we know the purpose of our existence, it is easy for us to have a vision in life. When you have a vision in life, you will make choices based on your vision. You will not mess up your life by making wrong decisions. Many times in life, we end up buying certain things which are good without realizing whether it's the right choice or not. Sometimes in choosing friends, job or spouse, we decide thinking it's a good choice, but have you ever realized that am I making a right choice? So it's necessary to always know what is good and what is right for you. For example, every one of us love to own a luxurious car. It's good. It feels so good, isn't it? But is it the right time to buy? Are we financially sound? Are we making the right decision? Have you ever asked this question to yourself? So my dear friends, everything which seems to be good for you is not right for you. If you need to understand this and apply this in your life, you need to identify your purpose in life and frame a vision according to your purpose for making the right choices in your life. So look for good which is right for you. Thank you.